Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a bright, rustic, fresh tuna sauce. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and the kind of dish that brings everyone to the table. I start by cutting 4 fresh tuna steaks into small, even cubes. Keeping them the same size helps them cook gently later on. In a warm pan, I drizzle in some good Italian olive oil. I add a chopped onion and also minced garlic. I will also add a teaspoon of anchovy paste. Now, this will give a deep, savory base without ever tasting fishy. I will saute everything together until the onion turns translucent and sweet. Ingredient for the sauce: capers, cherry tomatoes, your tuna that is cut in cubes, and mixed olives. Now it's time to build the sauce. I add the cherry tomato with just a sprinkle of salt. After good 5 to 7 minutes, when the cherry tomatoes are softened, I gently mash them with a hand masher, or you can use a fork, to release all their juices. This becomes the heart of our sauce, fresh, bright, and naturally thick. Next, the tuna goes in. Those little cubes will poach right into the tomato sauce, staying tender and delicate. I'll stir in mixed olives and a couple of tablespoons of capers. I let everything simmer together for about 10 minutes so the flavors can settle in together. Serve this dish over pasta, rice, couscous, or spoon it onto toasted Italian crunchy bread. It's warm, rustic, and full of Mediterranean comfort. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to subscribe. It truly makes Mama V happy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe.